Good day, everyone. I am here to present all of you on how to push a project Git in GitHub. And let's find out.
So first of all, go to your Visual Studio Code and start create a new folder. So go to your folder in your computer and example create a folder named test so that you can open a folder into your Visual Studio and create a new file. So start a file within and create an HTML to proceed your project. So after creating an HTML, go to your test folder again and you need to have a sulod inyong test page so that this page.html as you can see in the right. So let's go to terminal and new terminal and in the upper git bash, so click the git bash and then after 2 seconds there will be a command line, so git init. So first line is git init and as you can see there is a pop-upping, then git add to add your project git, so git add space then that. So after that git status to get the status in your project git, and after that as you can see there is a result, so git status and that is the result. And next is git commit, so we need to commit your project data or project git. So git commit -m or initial commit, then go to your account so that as you can see that is it. So go to your account and copy paste your GitHub account to create to push your account to push your project git into your account in GitHub. So that another line is so git remote, so that is line is git remote and added and add initial sign, so copy paste your account. As you can see, if not reading, try to check your command again. So as you can see loading, so after 5 seconds you can see the result and that's the result. So gamay na lang nga makapush na ta sa atong project. So as you can see in the right there is a initial commit that have been push again. So scroll down and so get status, so get status again and branch master, so dili dapat main ang gamiton kay master man. So back to your account, go to your account. So get and get push origin, so go to your account again then refresh, and after that if not running, change the main into master and enter it so that your project git has been pushed in your GitHub account. So check your GitHub account and refresh it so that as you can see your GitHub project has been pushed in your GitHub account. That will be all, and thank you everyone.